Hi, and welcome to the second tutorial, where I will show you how to create courses and how to create lessons. First thing, why we need courses and lessons: the activities that we are creating and assigning to students, they need to be inside some course and some lessons. So how to create them? First thing we need to do is to go into Courses, My Courses. As you can see, I already have created 3 courses: Social Sciences, Geography, and English. So this is the one we've created together on our workshop. We will do the same right now. So first thing is to click on the button Create a Course. The course name is going to be again English. Annotations, which is like a description, is going to be Basic English, and now we can save. So as you can see, our English has been created. You can go right into the course, and now the really important part is to go into the basic information. Click the edit icon, which is like the pen icon, and we need to assign it to a subject so we can use it later. This is really important. So we'll click on that. Let's call it English 2 really quickly, so it does not have the same name as ours. Now we can save. In order to create a lesson, click the Create Lesson button. We'll call it Lesson 1, for example, and the description will be Introduction to English. Hopefully I didn't forget anything, and we can now click the Save button. Alright, so that's how we create a course and a lesson. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create activities.